Hello everyone, welcome to Jntuh exam updates channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to like the video and please do subscribe to the channel. Many students have requested me to do a video about Jntuh corrections. So here we are with the video. In this video, we will talk about how corrections in Jntuh are carried out, the process right from your submitting of your answer sheet to the very end till awarding your marks. So we'll start with the basics first. So after completing your exam, you submit your answer sheet in the examination center on the particular day. On the day which you have written the exam, all the papers or your answer sheet are put in the envelope and seal cover in front of the observer in the college itself, and these seal bundles are submitted to the nearest police station to ensure that there is no tampering is done. So if you have seen in many notifications from Jntuh, there is a notification called postal van schedule. So this postal van schedule decides when the van will be arriving to the center and collecting your answer sheet bundles. So these bundles will be collected by the logistic vans provided by Jntuh and will ensure that there is no tampering of the answer sheets. So this pickup van schedule, so according to this, the schedule, the van picks up in the bundles of all the college and are submitted to Jntuh. There is a point from where the van collects all the answer sheet. For example, in Karimnagar we have Vivekananda Institute of Technology and Sciences. Sometimes it's the pickup center and sometimes the Sri Chaitanya Engineering College is the pickup center. So after this all those things, and after the papers are received from Jntuh, after the Jntuh allowed some faculty to correct the papers. Generally 6 to 7 years of continuous service faculties. For example, a faculty is teaching for 7 to 8 years in a particular college or in a Jntuh affiliated college. Such faculties are invited for corrections. So Jntuh affiliated colleges లో 6-7 years నుంచి కంటిన్యూస్ గా వర్క్ చేసిన ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ గ్యాప్, సో గ్యాప్ ఉన్న ఫ్యాకల్టీని కన్సిడర్ చేయకుండా సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీని మాత్రమే కన్సిడర్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దీస్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ ఆర్ invited to Jntuh. When the faculty reaches the Jntuh, they are given bundles for correction according to the subject in which the faculty is expert. For example, if the faculty is teaching for so and so subject for 4 or 5 years, then he will be given that subject to correct. With this answer, the bundle answer key is also provided in which all the answer and point wise everything is mentioned. So the faculty will use those as an reference and correct your papers. There are two types of faculties who corrects this. Some are on the humanitarian grounds, they correct the paper. For example, if you write anything relative to the subject or anything relative to the answer, they give you marks, and some may not give this marks. So if you see, sometimes you see in your class many students fail in a particular subject. That is due to the mismatching of key. Ante మీరు స్పెక్ట్రమ్ లో రెఫర్ చేస్తే they might have referred from another textbook. For example, there's some standard textbook and you have written some outside information which is referred in spectrum. Sometimes you may prefer those textbooks, standard textbooks. The answer key might be taken from somewhere else. So this mismatch and all the answers mistake kavachu, and after correction process marks are awarded. So ఈ ఆన్సర్ మిస్టేక్ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి 7 మార్క్స్ కానీ 14 మార్క్స్ కానీ 0 మార్క్స్ కానీ ఒక సెమిస్టర్లో వేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ జస్ట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ mismatch of the key. So whatever the answer you have written, the reference might be from somewhere else. So this happens. So nowadays the corrections are made in a bundled mode, blended mode or bundled mode you can call it. Blended mode means some papers will be corrected in offline and some papers will be corrected in online. How online process takes place means all your answer sheets are scanned and just uploaded in a server. When the faculty will log in with their username and password with giving the biometric thumb, then those papers will be visible to faculty and they correct this ఆన్లైన్ అండ్ ఆఫ్లైన్. సో కొన్ని పేపర్స్ ఆన్లైన్లో కరెక్షన్ కావచ్చు, కొన్ని ఆఫ్లైన్లో కావచ్చు. అలా మార్క్స్ అవార్డ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దెర్ ఇస్ అ ప్రాసెస్ కాల్ స్క్రూటినింగ్. this scrutinying process is sometimes important, because sometimes the students might not get the desired marks, or sometimes some faculty might not award them marks even if they're right. So the scrutinying is the process where corrected papers are rechecked by some other faculty before releasing the result. For example, if faculty X has corrected your papers, then some other faculty, some Z faculty, some A faculty, some B faculty will again cross check those corrected papers and marks. So that is called scrutiny. So this is all about results. So this is all how it continues. For example, now the fourth year correction will start only after February 20. I mean, like fourth year students have written the exam, their correction will start after February 20. So I just want to tell you, I want to give you some tips. So there's a good tip for students to pass in Jntuh. Will maintain good handwriting. So you just need to maintain a good handwriting, answer everything in point wise, so that it will be easy for the the lecturer who is correcting that, it will be easy for them to correct. And lengthy answers are divided into point wise, so that it can be presentable. So divide chesi rayandi and draw double margins after completing every answer. Each and every answer complete tarvata double margin giyandi, because this would be an indication that the answer has ended and you are starting the very next answer. Write the answer which you know properly first. సో రైట్ ఏదైతే అంటే మీకు ఏ ఆన్సర్ అయితే మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉన్నారో ఆ ఆన్సర్ని ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయాలి. మేబీ స్మాల్ కావచ్చు, మేబీ బిగ్ కావచ్చు, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్, బికాస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్. సో we will I'll give the tips and tricks for the exam in the next video as well. So this is for the video, guys. I hope you like this correction process video. So just write neatly, that is what I can say, so that you can just get marks awarded accordingly. Write relative content. So hope you guys are clear about subjects, and also please let me know what kind of video should I make that will help you guys. If you found this video informative, then please do share with your friends, and also like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Until then, please let me know in the comments that what should I do, what should be my next video, and I hopefully please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making videos for you guys. Thank you.